Hey, this is Dale with the Outdoorsman Zone. It's always amazing what you can see outside. Right here on my side-by-side, we have a cicada shell that I noticed this morning. And this is what came out of it. Look at that. So he's hanging out after coming out of his shell, and I would encourage you to get out into the outdoors and look around, see what's going on, see the insects from the birds to just simply getting out. You will be amazed what's around you when you start enjoying the outdoors. So this is Dale with the Outdoorsman Zone. Just enjoying nature. He'll be moving on soon. And there's a shell. Take care.